Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And after I helped the person do the volleyball, she would like the outline to be thinner like I did in this one. So we're going to take the original, we're going to move it, I'm going to make a copy of it, and I am going to take away all the color. And I'm going to add the outline. You can see the outline is a double line. So to get rid of that double line, what we're going to do, we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in every spot and move it. I'm moving it up. And there you have it. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill away and right click an outline. Basically we have the same thing, but we got a different shape. And now I'm going to open up the effects contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 0.007, and you'll see that light up when I do it. And then I'm not going to actually move anything. I don't have to. I'm going to show you. So we're going to take each individual piece and basically I'm contouring it. Just make sure you get all the pieces contoured. Now, we have to break the contour apart in just a second. I'm going to have to actually zoom in to get this last one. And contour. Now, all the contour that we don't want is on the inside. So what we're going to do, we're going to select it all, and break the 22 objects apart. Then I can take my mouse and I'm grabbing the inside contour. So we're getting the one to the left now is going to be basically the same ball. But this is basically lines. There's a little bit of stuff we could fix up. You can make this line a little bit thicker. We'll make it something other than a hairline. And now we're going to smart fill it. We're going to bring in our original ball. And I am going to group this together. Control G. I'm going to get my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to get that color and I'm going to put it there, 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 and there. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the white, even though it doesn't look like it is needing it, but when we put on a blue t-shirt it will be. And I actually missed a piece too. So I need to go back with the Smart Fill tool. And actually one of these is the document color, but it's so easy just to get another color. Whoop. Got to be right in there. Whoop. Let me zoom in. Somehow I got a little leak, but let's try this. Let's try moving it out of the way and trying to fix that leak. I don't really know why it's leaking. Let me try ungrouping it. I got to select it with the pick tool. Go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. It doesn't look like there's some merely messed up lines here, but what we can do is I can nudge it over and see if we can smart fill it. There we go. Now I'm going to put it back. So, but you can see that my lines aren't showing through. So what we're going to do now is, let's get rid of that. I can move one of the lines to the top. Whoop. I've got it set on no outline, so I don't know why that's doing that. Let me just move everything up and see if it'll work. Moving everything up. Not sure I got it all. Let's bring up the yellow red box. I missed that piece right there. That should be white. Well, yep, there we go. Now, I can take this, let's make sure it's grouped, I'm pretty sure it is, it's not. And we're gonna go to effect, or go to object, order, front of page. And then look, if we move that up there, we have a lot thinner line. Basically, we put the black line on top of the other items. So if we look at them in comparison to the one I did earlier for her, the lines are quite a bit thinner. That must have been the one I did. There's the thicker one. There's the one I always, before I do a video, I always practice, make sure I know what I'm talking about. So there's a little bit thicker line, a little bit thinner line. That's what you want. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit.